Hi guys, I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to program and install your external motion sensor onto your Guardfather security system. And if you are looking for a wireless DIY security system, I'll leave a QR code on the screen that you can scan with your mobile phone. It'll take you straight to the Guardfather website. I'll also leave a link in the description that you can click, and that will take you straight to the website so you can build your own security system and take control of your own security. Now on to installing the device. Next, we're going to install our external motion sensor. So slide off the back of the motion sensor, remove the slips for the batteries. Now your learn button on the external motion sensor is on the back next to the batteries. So what we're going to do is click on add device, add sub device, enter name, let's say back garden sensor, enter ID, scan the barcode, select room as home, select group as alarm devices, click confirm, hold down the button on the back of the sensor. Success, device is added. Now it's time to fit our external motion sensor. Fit the backplate 1.8 meters to 2 meters in height. There are 3 screw holes. Use a 7mm drill bit again. Put the roll plugs into the wall and screw the backplate onto the wall. Then get your device, pop it on, slide it down, and the device is now fitted. So there's a few things to bear in mind when you're fitting an external motion sensor, such as don't fit one where you've got a big large tree right in the way. You want the detector looking out into an open space. It's animal friendly, so it's not going to be triggering when it's seeing cats, dogs and foxes and things like that. The device has an intelligent design, meaning it will ignore animals while triggering when humans go past. It has a standard range of around 6 to 12 meters. I'm Simon from Simon Security Expert, and if you want to install some more Guardfather equipment together, well then click here or click here.